Hello. Welcome to another video. And today I'm going to show you how to create content quickly for online teaching. So of course you've got many options. You're free. You can do what you want. This is my approach. This is what I do. Of course, I don't want to spend too much time doing that. When it's done, it's done. When you did the creation, after it's done, you have it for life. That's the beauty of it. But you still have to prepare because you teach beginners, intermediate, advanced, and you always consistently need new things to teach. So I'm going to show you from scratch. Like I'm gonna pretend that I'm a Spanish teacher. I'm not a Spanish teacher. I'm a French teacher. So where to start? So first of all, I always use Canva. Canva is a magic tool. I love Canva. It's you can make a very beautiful presentation. So what can you do here? You can write, you can type here presentation. You can go here. For me, I'm used to it, so it's here. It's already. Or if you want something beautiful, like wow, mind blowing, you've got like so many. As you can see, if you don't have the pro version with the crown here, you cannot use them, but the other you can use it easily. So for example, let's take this one. Let's say you like this one. Why not? You can use the presentation. So open it. The first thing you must do is apply all 10 pages. So now you have it. One thing is very important. If you don't like the color, it's not a big deal at all. I will show you straight away how to change it. You change all the palette of colors, which is brilliant. So let's say now after, of course, you can change everything you want. So like you go to style, and you can see all the pattern, and you can choose whatever you want according to your brain. Let's say for me, I like this one. Click on it. So you can just bam, control, click on all of them. You're gonna change all of them at the same time. Just click again. You can do something personalized. All of them you can change. As you can see, it's easy to change the color if you like it, according to your brain, according to who you are. It's like it's up to you. You can change. Or don't like it, click again. Or don't like it, they change for you. Now you've got, as you can see, there is like 1,000 options. If you want something like mind blowing, for me, what I do, I'm going to show you right now what I prefer myself. I start with a blank. I create a blank, and when I have time, I try to add more things. But if I want to create a lesson, like I'm in a rush, I have a lesson just after. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you right now. So as I say, I'm going to teach Spanish. I don't teach Spanish. I didn't prepare anything. I start from scratch. So what I'm gonna do? So let me show you. Spanish. How to say, like greetings in Spanish. Let's say the first lesson, maybe useful phrases. The first one. Okay, now this is a good start. Now you've got this. We can copy paste it. What is that at the end? Como ha estado? How have you been? Or maybe it's an exercise. Or let's say start with that. Bam, you go to your presentation, text, just a little body. You don't need to copy paste it. And now you have to arrange it to make it more beautiful. You can do something. First of all, Control A. Now put the other side. Okay, so now we have it. Maybe we can just duplicate. So now you keep half of it. Let's say up. So let's say sounds good. So we say at night, bam. At night, bam. So I already have 2 pages. So yeah, mix and match. Do it like a readable, of course. Maybe some of these a bit bigger. You can change. Don't take if it's a front with a crown, you cannot use it. If you want the free version, for me, I can use it because I'm using, I don't know, anything that you like. Well, let's say this one, you like this one. Okay, so Now we've got a good start. You arrange a little bit to make it better. Okay, tenga buenos dias. I have no idea what is it. So maybe you just need to arrange it what is better. Find a way to teach. Maybe up. You add one more. You put here and you put heading. Up. You are like greetings in Spanish. Take a small one. Go down. Learn Spanish with blah blah blah, your name. You can do what you want. You can arrange the color. Yeah, you click on the big V. Go here. If you like your brain, you want to change the color, you can. You're free. Sounds good. You like this one? Do that. Okay. So I'm gonna show you like quick things that you can do. Now it takes time probably to rearrange to see, or maybe when you copy now you can just oh, that's why it was not good because I did a formal. Actually it would have been better because I didn't see. You can see up, you do one formal, one not formal, so you just copy that after you make, for me for example, like we can say up this one, add proof formal, put it on the top, put it down, up. You can do by one. It's not gonna take long, Yeah, formal, go back here, bam. Buenos dias. This one, bam, bam. See, it doesn't take much. When you're used to it, after it's kind of very easy. Maybe just rearrange to make it. Hey, you get the idea, right? After of the greeting, you want to do something more special. That's very easy. You can go to like element. Now you up like for example Spanish flag. Oh, cool. Try to find a free one. Bam, free. Bam, put it here. Da-da-da. Greeting. For something that I like to do is very, as you can see, like for my, I do that a lot. How they call it? Frame. That's what I like to put everywhere. Put some frame. You can put a phone, anything. You can put a picture inside, which is cool. I like this one. I really do love this one. And now you go to photo. I don't know. Say hello. Someone say hello, hello. I don't know. Try to find a one. She say hello. Why not? Put it here. If it's you want to center it, you click on it. You go to crop. Now you can change the position. That's it. So as you can see, first now, bam, greetings, that's nice. After you've got the content inside, oh, no, the formal, up, let's duplicate this one, delete, no problem. Now you go to informal, you repeat the same process. You teach that, oh, nice, and now, bam, what you can do. For example, you go back to element. Let's say now you put another big one. Now you type text, in a heading, exercise. Sorry, I make it quick like to show you exercise. You can do that. Put another photo. Now you say, I don't know, thinking, write anything. Yeah, up, crop. Okay, it's thinking. Or maybe it's not right. Something more. I don't know. Maybe she must look like a Spanish or anything. Yeah, something that you see it's easy. It takes 2 minutes to do. And now what would I do? Look at this. There is 2 websites that you can use, that I use. You have Kahoot. So what's Kahoot? Learning games. So Kahoot, it's I don't know what to tell you. It's just oh, I need to log in. Oh, so you just have to sign up. Very easy. And you go to discover. And guess what? Of course, they're going to ask you to pay. You go down, you take the free version. If you want to pay, if you use it a lot, you can go ahead. So discover. And guess what? Spanish greetings. Bam. What do we have here? Oh, Spanish greeting, 2 questions. It sounds amazing. Click on it. And you have start. Beautiful now. You have it here. So maybe get ready before the class. Maybe here you can write, go to the text. You just, as a reminder, a guide for you, Kahoot. You go a bit down and you can maybe get the link here. Just as a reminder, just you can prepare beforehand or just write Kahoot and you have it in your browser and then you share it with your share screen that you can. Now you go to classic mode as that's it, ready to join. You share it. You're gonna have a QR code or a code you give to your student. Your student that just use the QR code, go to Kahoot, and that's it. And let's do the game together. You do the game with your student. After, when you're done, congratulations, you did well. You can. There is another website that I use, like the name is Learning App. They give you a QR code, and you can put the QR code here. You tell your student, scan the code, and he can do the exercise by himself. And that's it. After, try to find a new lesson, add it here, and you have like a unit 1, unit 2. Try to find a curriculum, something with the following, like, makes sense. Don't try to get and go to so many things that not useful. And that's pretty much it. That's what I do, and people are very happy. By the way, let me show you one last things. Why I'm using Canva. You're gonna see, oh, greeting in Spanish. Good. Sounds good. For more, buenos dias, good morning. And you can say, oh, do you remember everything? Okay, let's check. You tap on B. Oh, it's blur, so cannot see anything anymore. I say, now you practice, pop. On B, gone back to normal. And then you say, oh, you did very well. D, you've got the drum. Sometimes you say, okay, I give you 2 minutes to review. You tap on 2, and you have this. This is brilliant. No, come on. This is amazing. And my students love it all the time. I can do so many things with that. And you see there is a small duck now in the water. And it's really fun. It's really cool. What else I can do? You have the bubble. You tap O, and then you've got the bubble. When they review it, I like to put the bubble to say, I want to see if you're focused, with a big smile. You can do whatever you want, basically. It's so cool. I remember there is another one. I don't remember. Yeah, this one. I don't use this one. It's Q. Sure, we did it. See, well, the confetti was that this one. See, you have the confetti. All right, now you get the idea. Like, it's an amazing tool, kind of. It's like you pumped up your presentation. It's a must-have. So I hope you like the video. As always, I wish you to have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.